Hello, my name is Manik Dubash and I'm with Kevin Vachon, who is the Chief Operating Officer of the MEF. Kevin, thanks very much for joining us.
Hi, Manik.
Now, the MEF is about to hold an event called Gen14. What is it and why is the MEF holding it?
Gen14 stands for Global Ethernet Networking 14, and it's really the first ever global gathering of the Ethernet community, really to chart the future of network services, powered by the convergence of Carrier Ethernet 2.0, which has been hugely successful, SDN, network function virtualization.
So what do you expect the key topics to be?
Well, clearly, one of the major stakeholder groups that we're bringing, to the conference is the enterprise community. Cloud is obviously very high on their list, and they will be looking at, how Carrier Ethernet will be capable of delivering, dynamic cloud services to them in the future.
And what has the response of the service provider community been to the launch of the event?
Oh, it's been outstanding. The provider community has bought in a big way. Approximately a quarter of our sponsors are already providers from North America as well as international.
And what would you expect the outcomes of the event to be from a service provider's perspective?
Well, I think the service providers, for sure they will be, looking at the new developments that they will take advantage of as they build out their services of the future. But clearly, I think they have a platform now, which didn't exist before, to show to their enterprise customers what kinds of things those customers will be able to, features they'll be able to take advantage of, new developments to take advantage of in the future for, with Ethernet services.
So NetEvents is going to be involved in Gen14. What's NetEvents' role in all this?
Well, we want the press and analyst community to be, part of Gen14, and for many years, NetEvents has been our vehicle to reach that community in a very effective way. So we think they're really going to add a new dimension, which is really not traditional to conferences today.
So what does the MEF get out of it?
Well, the MEF has been at the epicenter of this industry from day one, and there's a huge upside to this industry. There's a lot of growth potential. There's a lot of globalization, new capabilities. We want the stakeholders of the industry coming together under one roof to really, work with us to take us where we need to go.
Kevin, thanks so much for joining us.
Great, thank you. Appreciate it.